Hey everybody, welcome back to Adventure Time with Tim. My voice is a little gruff because I just got over a cold and some other stuff. We're in the truck. You can see the truck is completely full. And I would like to introduce everybody to our new adventure buddy. This is Honey. Hey Honey, can you say hi? Hello. Honey is our 4-month-old golden retriever. She is sweet and spicy and sharky and wonderful all at the same time. So hopefully you'll get to see more of her on all of the adventures we go on. Today we're headed up to Mueller State Park and we're going to do some camping. Nothing really other than that planned, but some sitting around the fire, get to see our camping setup. It's our last camping trip of the season. It's been hard. It's hard to, goodness, this road is rough. It's hard to vlog camping because once you get camping, it's just like, I just want to chill and hang out and enjoy the fire and take naps. And so this is an attempt to vlog a camping trip. It should be a fun time. So let's go camping. I think she's going to drive the rest of the way from here. All right, we are set up. There we go. We like to camp in style. Well, let me show you the tent.
You're fine.
Got Honey in the kennel. She's crying because she just wants to be with everybody all the time. We got the stove, air mattress, lights everywhere. It's gonna be cozy tonight. So, day one, real nice day. As you can hear, it's raining out. It's like 40 degrees out, so it's a little nasty. I was walking back from the bathroom, got totally drenched. So I had to change into something a little bit more dry because my pants are soaked, my rain jacket is soaked. So we're gonna upgrade to a poncho. That's where it's at. And boots, poncho and boots. There they are. Let's do this. All right, guys. Now we're ready. A little bit of water collecting, not too bad. Now we'll be about 10% drier. That's the idea. It's been a great trip so far. Took a nap. Had to work, which stunk. That's okay. It's not like we're roughing it out here. I mean, we're on a paved road. with our tent just off of the paved road. We'll get the fire going in a bit. Get nice and toasty in the tent. Maybe watch a movie? Yeah. I don't like roughing it. Alright. Getting ready for bed here. We're gonna plug in the phones. Honey's already in bed. And so we're gonna get a fire going in the stove here. Hopefully this isn't too much of a pain in the butt. These little guys are waxed, which is nice. Okay. A couple logs in there. Little ones. All right. Oh, there we go. It's lit. How do I wait for the warmth? 11 minutes, 44 seconds. That looks like a dead body up there. It's not. It's my rain jacket. Alright, there we go. She's lit. Nice. And just in time for Chelsea to get back. Some bacon cooking. Beautiful morning out. And it's gonna be delicious. There we go. Now it's chill time. Got the hammock to a tree, the hammock to the truck. Should hold. Right? We'll find out.
And I found her new true stick. It's the tree. Now it's tree.
Here we go. All packed up. Little weekend camping. Trying to keep Honey from eating rocks because her teeth are hurting. She's like, Mom, the rocks got my teethies. I'm tattling on you. Yep, 4Runner's all packed up with all the stuff. So we're gonna head home. And thanks for watching. Should I use my cheesy tagline, Chelsea? Should I use my cheesy tagline again?
Yeah. Sure. That's what Nick said.
Remember, where the road ends, adventure begins. Catch you next time.